Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to get your car out of park and into drive. All you need is a simple Bic pen. Have you ever had the issue where you put your foot on the brake and you can't get your car out of park? When you put your foot on the brake pedal, the shift interlock is supposed to disengage, letting you shift into drive. Sometimes it sticks, so what you need to do is take off this little door and then press that core down. First off, you're going to take the cap off the pen and pop this little door off. Then you're going to take your pen and pull it apart, pull the guts out. It's going to look like this. Then with your foot on the brake, you're going to push this down through and you're going to feel something move out of the way. Keep pushing and shift into drive. It's as easy as that. You can also do this whole thing with a small screwdriver if you have one of those handy. Alright guys, if this has helped you out at all, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again.